let us revise the lesson vowels once again so that it may be easy to be remembered by you. Now, the question is, what are the vowels? Answer is, the vowels are the sounds which makes a group of words to be heard and understood by all. Question: how many kinds of vowels are there in Pitman shorthand? Answer is, there are two kinds of vowels in Pitman shorthand. Name the kinds of the vowels. First kind is long vowel. Second one is short vowel. Now, what do you mean by long vowel and short vowel? Those vowels which are sounded heavily are called long vowels. In Hindi we say it badi matra. And the short vowels are similarly sounded very lightly and are called choti matra in our mother tongue Hindi. Now, what are the two sentences made to learn the vowels? The sentence for long vowel is pa, me, we. All go to. And for short vowel, the sentence is that pen is not much good. Now, what are the signs to be used for long vowels? Pa, me, we are denoted by dark dot, and all go to long vowels are noted by small dark dash, and that pen is. Short vowels are written by light dot, and not much good are written by light dot. Dash. Now, the place of vowels. Pa is the first vowel, me is second vowel, we is third vowel, and all is first vowel, go is second vowel, and to is third vowel. That pen is, that is first vowel, pen is second vowel, is third vowel, written by light dot. Now, not first vowel, much, second vowel, not much, good. Good is third vowel, written by light dot. Okay? And where are these vowels to be put? What are the sides used for putting the vowels? In all vertical strokes, standing or upward or downward going curved strokes like PBTD, JJ. Yeah, and ith, the, sh, z, f, V is the L up, L down, R up, R down. Where ye H up, H down are called all vertical, going upward out, coming downward strokes. The left hand side is before side of the stroke and after side is on the right side of the stroke. On the horizontal strokes, they are K, M and ing. Above the stroke, upper side of the stroke is before side and the underside of the stroke is after side. Above and down. Okay. First, second and third place of vowels. Now, whenever we are given any word to be written by us as a shorthand student, first of all we will repeat the word in our mind. Like if. Now in if there are two things. E is vowel, F is consonant. E comes before F, so it is written on the left side of F and written at the third place because if is third place vowel written by dot. If we have to write fee, F and E. F is consonant, E is vowel. Now E is sounded heavily. Fee. If short vowel, fee long vowel. And this is put on the third place of the consonant on after side. We will have to write make. First of all, we will write the outline, means M and K joined together. Now make A, pa, me, vi. A is second place vowel. Now in the middle, after side of M, we will put A as a dark dot. Like this, please go through your Pitman Shorthand Instructor, which is the original and sufficient book to be learnt by shorthand students. Now, I think you will be able to write and do your homework at your own. Your hard work will result very soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel Pitman Shorthand Class for coming and upcoming videos. To get notifications of all the videos, please also click the bell icon. Thanks for attending the class.